Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Apache Bigtop is an open-source project that simplifies the deployment, management, and monitoring of Hadoop clusters. It offers pre-configured packages and tools to streamline these processes, making it easier for organizations to maintain their big data infrastructure efficiently. Apache Bigtop is designed to save you significant time by providing pre-configured packages for Hadoop components. It includes essential monitoring tools right from installation, ensuring that your clusters are set up consistently and efficiently. Apache Bigtop offers several key features, including pre-configured Hadoop packages that reduce setup time. Its centralized monitoring tools provide insights into cluster health and performance, while a simplified deployment process ensures that getting started is as easy as possible. The architecture of Apache Bigtop is designed to be flexible and modular. It integrates seamlessly with existing Hadoop components, allowing organizations to customize their setups according to specific needs without unnecessary complexity. In real-world applications, Apache Bigtop is often used to manage and optimize big data processing pipelines. Its scalable infrastructure ensures that organizations can handle large volumes of data efficiently while maintaining seamless integration with the broader Hadoop ecosystem. By using Apache Bigtop, organizations can significantly reduce the time spent on configuring Hadoop components. Enhanced monitoring and management capabilities lead to improved cluster performance and overall operational efficiency. Getting started with Apache Bigtop is straightforward thanks to comprehensive installation guides and extensive documentation. The active community provides additional support, ensuring that users can quickly set up and optimize their clusters. While Apache Bigtop simplifies many aspects of cluster management, there are challenges to consider. Understanding the broader Hadoop ecosystem is crucial, and larger deployments may require more advanced configurations and ongoing maintenance efforts. In conclusion, Apache Bigtop is a powerful tool for managing Hadoop clusters efficiently. We encourage you to explore the official documentation and community resources to dive deeper into its capabilities. Don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or feedback. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.